sir. What up, what up? Today we are going to make a beat using the Timbaland process. So stay tuned. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, I welcome you and I encourage you to subscribe and then turn on that notification bell so you get notified when we're making new beats. Anyways, guys, in today's video we're gonna make a beat using the Timbaland process. So that's what we're gonna do. Hey. So for those of you who don't know who Timbaland is, y'all need to stop what you're doing. Just kidding. After the video, after you watch the second video, after this video. Anyways, you guys need to stop what you're doing. You guys need to listen to number 1, Jay-Z's Dirt Off Your Shoulder. You gotta listen to Super Duper Fly, Missy Elliott. You gotta listen to probably any Missy Elliott. And you gotta listen to Mirrors, Justin Timberlake. And you just know Timbaland. And Timbaland's a pretty hot producer, you know what I'm saying? So, back on track. He basically talks about how his process for creating a beat is very, very simple. The first thing he does is he just uses his voice. He uses his mouth and he comes up with the melody. So he starts beatboxing the melody, and then from there he comes up with the beat, and then from the beat he comes up with like the cymbals, aka the hi-hats. So it's pretty simple, 3 steps. Number 1, the melody. Number 2, the beat. And number 3, the cymbal. It's just how you make a beat. But he starts off with his mouth. So that's what we're gonna do today. And you're gonna get to watch me act a fool. Alright, so first off, the beat. I don't know what I want this beat to sound like. So we're probably gonna keep it nice and simple. Probably gonna go like dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so now let's move on to the beat. Dun, 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 Alright, so nice and simple, so far so good. Step 3. Okay, so I think that's what we're gonna do. Let's see how that reflects when we actually start making the beat. Oh god, this is gonna be fun. Let's start with the melody. So I recently downloaded this free pack from Cymatics. You guys want, you can check them out. It's actually pretty cool. It's called Melody. And alright, so it's called Melodics Melody. So let's go through the sample pack so we find something. I think most likely it's gonna be, I don't know, maybe piano. Right now we're checking out piano. I kinda forgot the beat. Let's look into a guitar. Piano. I like this one better, honestly. Alright, so I just tried it. So we're gonna play that back real quick. Alright, so let's see if we can record this again, and then if anything, I'm just gonna edit it in the piano roll. So let's try again. Ah, it froze up. Yo, I hate when that happens. I be feeling like I feel like Rabbit in 8 Mile. I'm like, huh? Like I literally freeze up. Alright, so did a little tweaking and fixed it. I think it sounds like my beatbox. Check it out. So yeah, so that's just gonna repeat because that's gonna be the melody. So we're just gonna go ahead and let me show you real quick. Alright, so like I said, that's gonna be the melody, and very simple. We're just gonna duplicate that all the way down. And then we're gonna start working on the beat. find some drums that we like, that we feeling in the club. Just kidding. Don't ever quote me on that. Just kidding. Quote me on that. I ain't scared. All right, let's find some drums. Y'all know how I feel about trap. Drum rack. Let's use that one. All right. Let's go ahead and add those drums. Alright, so you guys notice I kind of did like a double clap once or twice, and that's why, like I talked about in last week's video, I'm put a card right now. Anyways, you have to practice. You have to practice your finger drumming so you don't mess up like I did. But we can play that back, see how it sounds. Okay, so that first one sounded really weak, and the next one sounded profound. So we're gonna try one more time to record that. I don't know what it is about me, but I prefer to get it as perfect, as close to perfect as possible on the drum pad, like on the keyboard, before I actually jump into the piano roll and fix it. Alright, so I scratched the claps because it was just getting on my nerves, and I decided to go in for the kick and the clap at the same time. So right now, this is what it sounds like. Totally scratched those drums, so let's go again with those drums, because holy shit. Alright, that sounds a little better. Alright, back to square one. Let's do it! Let's do it! I gotta fix that metronome. That countdown. Wow, I'm just... I'm on some dumb shit today, man. What the fuck did I eat for dinner? Finally! Holy fuck. I was about to just like set it off. Alright, let's add our hi-hats. Add our hi-hats. Let's add our hi-hats. I don't think I need hi-hats, do I? Okay, let's add these hi-hats so we can wrap up this video. Ready? So. Okay, so I think that sounds good right now. Man, when did I get so crappy at this? I'm just kidding. You guys want to check out my Instagram? I'm going to put a link in the description. You guys can follow me if you want. I'll follow you back, show you some love. But you can check out these last 2 beats I think I shared that I've been working on. I think I shared 1 beat. So let's record these hi-hats and end this video because this is just getting embarrassing now. I'm sorry, Timbaland. Anyways, here we go. Longest countdown ever. It's my fault. Alright, so we recorded our cymbals, and this is what it sounds like so far. Hey! So, not too shabby, not too bad. That only took us like 7,000 hours. I'm just kidding. Let me know if you guys think it's a good beat. I should work on it, fix it, obviously. Or I should just actually complete it and put it up for sale. Or, you know, write a song over it. I don't know. So, guys, I want to thank you for sticking around, putting up with my garbage ass skills. But you know what? The more we practice, the more better you get, the better you get. So, I encourage you to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and please don't make it a thumbs up ski if you liked the video and if you liked the beat. And if you didn't like the video or you didn't like the beat, please give me a thumbs up regardless. And tell your friends like, yo, do you want to laugh at this fool making a terrible beat? Subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, don't sleep on me, baby.